Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. Today in the series of talking about IPO reviews, I got you one such IPO where I have invested myself and applied for the IPO listing. Well, it is a day 2 for Harsha Engineers IPO, and I believe there are chances for the massive listing gains as well as the long-term gains for the investor. In this video, I will be doing the full review of Harsha Engineer IPO. So before starting the video, if you are new to this channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel Wealth Unlimited and do hit the like button on this video. Talking about the Harsha Engineers, well, they are into the largest manufacturing of cages, bearing cages. Well, they have products which varies from brass cages, steel cages, polyamide cages and stamped components. Now you will be wondering like what kind of cages they create, what are the uses of these cages. Then I must tell you that these are the cages which are used in many sectors like aviation, automobile, agriculture, and even these are the cages and the stamped components which can be used in water pumps as well. They have a vast diversified portfolio of products in these segments. Apart from this, they are well present in the global markets. They have been doing their businesses in more than 25 countries as of now, and they have their fixed clientele which give them a huge boost to their revenue. Now talking about the Harsha Engineering IPO, you will see that the company is working in most of the continents like North America, Europe, Asia, South America and Africa. Well, they are into the engineering business as we discussed. They are into solar EPC businesses as well, and the company holds a very strong fundamental financially, and I believe that this particular company can give you a massive returns in long term if you plan to hold this IPO even after listing. I'm giving you a disclaimer that I have also applied in this IPO, and I am very bullish on this particular IPO valuation or the listing price which it is coming on. You will see the competitive strength of this particular company where it is written that they are a solution provider offering a diversified suite of precision engineering. They have strategically located domestic and international production facilities. Also, I want to tell you that most of the revenue for the Harsha IPO comes from the Indian market, and it is a very good thing as the global markets are struggling due to high inflation, and there are chances that the recession might come in US market. So I believe that this company can do fairly well and it won't get impacted by the global cues. Now talking about the consistent track record growth and financial performance, I will show you the financial sheet of the Harsha IPO, where you will see that the company is able to increase their total assets in last 3 years from the assets of 195 crore to the assets of 1158 crore is a massive jump. And I believe that if the company is able to perform like this in coming future and the net worth has also increased for the company, then definitely this company can touch the target of rupees 1000 as well. Talking about the issue size of this particular IPO, I want to tell you that the issue size for the IPO is of rupees 755 crore rupees. The fresh issue of equity shares is worth 455 crore rupees here, and the offer per sale is for 300 crore rupees. Well, it's a good thing that the company is getting a fresh issue of roughly 455 crore, which is more than 50% of their total issue size. Now talking about the Harsha Engineering IPO opening date, you will see that the IPO opened on September 14 and today is September 15 when I'm recording this video, and I have applied in this particular IPO. There is one more day when you can plan to invest in this IPO after doing your own research and due diligence. I have done it, and I believe that this is one IPO which no one should miss for the listing gains as well as the long-term gains. The basis of allotment will be decided on September 21 and it will be listing on the market on September 26. There are high chances if you get the allotment in this particular IPO, then your money can get 2x within less than a month. Well, whether it will happen or not, it will depend on market as well. But I believe that there are very high chances that this particular IPO can give you a return of 2x in coming future as well. The price band, yes, they're talking about the price band. I will suggest you to go for the upper price band of 330 rupees and apply the IPO at that particular price only. The face value of 10 rupees per share, there are high chances that in coming future the chances of giving bonuses and split increases for the company, and the company will be listing on both the stock exchanges, BSE and NSE. I hope I was able to give you a good overview. And talking about the application lot, if you are a retail investor, then you can apply for one lot at 14,850, roughly 15,000 rupees. And the maximum lots which you can apply for is 13, which is roughly around 1,93,000 rupees. For HNIs, high net worth individual, the criteria is 14 lots minimum and 68 lots minimum to 630 to 3,000 lots. And yes, there has been also category for the company shareholders, and if you are a company employee, then also you get a benefit and you can apply in this particular IPO in that particular listing. Talking about the subscription in the day 2, you will see that the QIB has already subscribed 1.60 times. NIs are very bullish, and they have subscribed 24 times, and retail investors have done it for 9.14 times of their share. The employees has also oversubscribed it, and a total of 10.35 into subscription for this particular IPO. Well, I have given you my overview. I have given you my reviews that whether you should apply in this particular IPO or not. I am applying in this particular IPO, and please do your own due diligence. If you think that this particular company suits you or like fits into your criteria of buying a stock, then definitely you can think about investing in this particular company. I must tell you the price at which this particular company is coming and the assets and the profits the company is making, this makes its valuation very cheap. Well, I won't say that it's very cheap, but again, our right kind of valuation is given to the company, and the company has done justice to it. The EPS for the company stands 16 as of financial year 2022, which has also increased or roughly doubled from the financial year 2021, which was of 9 rupees only. And the revenue for the company has been increasing as discussed, and there has been reduction in their debt from last couple of years, which again is a positive sign for the company. Now talking about the grey market premium, the grey market premium for the company is 225 rupees as of now, which is more than 60%. Well, to be realistic, I believe that if the market supports well to the Indian equity market and the global market remain sober, then there are high chances that the GMP for this particular company can grow from here as well. Now, recommendations and valuations, I will tell you that please, if you're applying for this particular IPO, make sure to apply on the upper price band of 330 rupees. The PE is very reasonable in my perspective, and there are chances that the PE, which is coming out roughly around 2021 for this particular company in financial year 2022, is way below than the industry average PE of 51 rupees. So I will tell you to invest in this particular IPO and stay invested, whether if you are applying for the listing gains or whether you are applying for the long-term gains. If you see this company not doing well on the listing gains, then definitely you can plan to halve your stock limit, which is like 45 stocks you will be getting in one lot. You can halve it. You can keep 22 or 23 stocks of this particular company, and for the rest gains, you can book the profit. I hope I was able to give you the good overview of Harsha Engineering IPO and what I am going to do in this particular IPO. And I hope you like this video. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Do share it with your friends, because there are very limited people who invest in stock market and take it as gamble. There are very few chances such IPOs come, such strong IPOs come into the market. So please make sure to share it with your friends as well. So thank you.